Shall we have a quick conversation about System IO? And I want to review this tool. I really want to explain to you whether or not this platform is really worth it for your next project, your next business. So here's a presentation I want you to think about. So when you think about System IO, I want you to think about a very popular business management tool that helps you launch and manage an online business more easily. So we love the flexibility there and the fact that you have an all-in-one sort of tool that allows you to do a lot of stuff. So your products could be digital, such as courses and blogs, or you could set up a store with physical products like clothing and accessories, and System IO can really help you out. So when you think about it as an all-in-one platform. So that's really important in terms of flexibility and scalability. So whether you have a multi-thousand project or a multi-billion project, you have the scalability there. Okay, so you have an all-in-one platform where you can create the product, create the final stages for its sale, manage your leads and customers with tools like email marketing, as well as get insight into your sales performance all in one place. So the analytics are also embedded. Okay, so that's really important to think about. And in terms of geography, all kinds of geographies are covered: the United States, Canada, Europe, the whole world, Africa, the whole world. So it doesn't matter, because sometimes when you think about those all-in-one platforms, you're thinking, well, I can use this all-in-one platform in the States, but I cannot use it in Europe, for instance, or I cannot use it in Asia. No, System IO is really adaptable to all geographies, so that's really good. So System IO is actually used for like setting up and managing your online business from scratch, online or offline business. Okay, and so here are some of the use cases we have seen when it comes to System IO. So you have email marketing. So on that all-in-one marketing platform, you have email marketing. You have sales funnel creation, so you can create a sales funnel. That's really good. Again, if you're trying to really track your leads, that's really important. You can build a new website or blog. You can automate certain business processes. You can create an affiliate program, and you can manage that affiliate program also. And you can create digital content such as courses and webinars. So this is really good. I'm sure that all of our viewers who are coaches and consultants, they will love that aspect of things. By the way, boss, welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here. Make yourself comfortable. You are going to enjoy today's conversation. I want to go a little deeper here, and I want to do some sort of evaluation. So I want to look at the pros and cons of System IO, so we have a clear idea whether or not this tool overall is really interesting for you and other viewers. Okay, so I want to first talk about the pros. So when you think about System IO, of course, I've mentioned the fact that it is an all-in-one platform. So this is really good in terms of into what we call operational ubiquity. Operational ubiquity. This is an important, but the free plan is generous and great for small businesses. This is the one of the advantages that we have seen. You have an unlimited free storage process on every plan. You can easily create and run a blog by yourself, so no need to actually have a third-party template builder. You are able to create your own custom automation rules through System IO. And here is a platform that provides A/B testing to see which page performs better. So whether you're doing a pop-up forms, or whether you're doing sales funnels, whether you're doing really, you have the ability to do multivariate testing here. And you can also create and manage and sell multiple types of products. So that's really good in terms of variety, also like what we call like operational efficiency, but also operational variety. And you have a platform that seamlessly integrates with popular payment apps such as PayPal and Stripe. So that's really cool. So when you think about the System IO, think about the fact that you have operational ubiquity, what we call operational ubiquity. And I want to quickly talk to you about the cons, because no product is perfect. So System IO does have a few drawbacks, and I want to really insist on two here. So one-on-one coaching is only available on the top tier plan. We wish that they extended this sort of coaching, the bespoke coaching process to other plans. And the free plan only works for startups in the initial phase. So if you're a startup and you are in the initial phase and you're looking for a platform that allows you to save a little bit of cash to really manage your cash outflows, then yeah, you can use this tool. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about System IO, and we are reviewing this tool. I want to talk to you about the features here. So when you think about System IO, what kind of features should you be thinking about? First of all, email marketing. So System IO offers several email management features. So you can send bulk emails to unlimited users, even on the free plan. And you simply create an email and select the contacts you want to send to. And this is really good. So you can communicate with a broad range of target audiences at the same time. That's really good. And email marketing is not too imposing as long as you set up an opt-out option. So this is really cool. So to save time, you can use one of System IO's pre-designed templates and then send it to your entire contact list at once, which is really, really fantastic. Then you have a blogging. So this is another feature that we love a lot within System IO. So if you want to create a blog, System IO is the best option. So getting started is super simple and you don't need any coding knowledge. Simply go to blogs from the header menu and create a new blog using one of the pre-designed templates. And this is really cool. So once the blog is created, you can manage the page layouts, the post, and other elements of the post directly from your System IO dashboard. You can also create separate categories for your blog. So this is really cool. You can also set up an online store. So e-commerce is really cool. And so if e-commerce is calling you or you want to try your hand at e-commerce, you will love System IO. So setting up an online store has never been this easy. Just like creating a blog here too, you don't need any coding knowledge. The platform comes with a drag and drop System IO website builder. So this is really cool. You have business automation. So System IO actually is one of the few out there when it comes to business automation because it lets you create your own rules. So the feature is available under funnels and the format is pretty simple. First, you create a trigger that is an event that initiates and then add an action that is the action that follows when the event is triggered. So this is really cool in terms of managing your business. Even though if you're not in the office, at least you have an idea of what's really happening from beginning to the end. So this is really cool. When you think about System IO, you also want to think about A/B testing. So this is an important element here. So A/B tests are a great way to test a new product. So whether this is a new blog or an email campaign, it really helps always to launch more than one version and see which one is performing best. And the thing is that System IO gives you the capability to actually think about chronology, think about geography, and think about the specific action you want your target audience to kind of have. So this is really good. You have payment integration. So if you are running an online store, having a reliable payment partner is kind of crucial. And thanks to System IO, you can manage your payments from the same platform. So this is really cool. This is really cool in terms of flexibility. All you have to do is integrate your System IO account into the payment platform of your choice. So options here within System IO options include Razorpay, you have PayPal, you have Stripe, and you have Flutterwave. So this is kind of really good. You have team management, you have an affiliate program, so you can run an affiliate program within System IO, and you also have order management. I want to quickly talk about order management. So order management applies to all kinds of industries, and so you have an order bump and upsell. So under order management, you can automatically add a discount for an existing purchase at the checkout. This is a common tactic business use to increase their margins. And you also have one. I want to go back to affiliate programs. So, affiliate programs are a popular marketing technique used by companies to spread the word about their product. And the best part is there's no investment up front. So System IO actually helps you automate that affiliate program. So this is really good. In terms of team management, you are able to, System IO fosters a collaborative environment. So you're able to work like with two team members or 20 or 200. So this harks back to what I said a little earlier about scalability. So this is kind of applicable whether you have a small business and later on you turn to become a big company. So System IO will be there for you, giving you all the capabilities along the way for you to automate things. I mean, automation is really quite essential here. So if you think about System IO, think about an all-in-one tool they can really help you automate a lot of things. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about System IO, and I'm actually reviewing this tool in depth. Let's talk about the value added here. So, and when you think about the System IO, you have to really understand that there's a free version that is there, and you have the capability to add email contacts. You have the capability to do a sales funnel building. You have blogs, you have automation rules, and you have an affiliate program, as I just told you a little earlier. And System IO really adds value because it provides all kinds of capabilities on the one plan, on the one platform. So no need to actually open multiple windows to actually run your sales funnels, for instance, your email campaigns, your automation role, your affiliate program, your blogs. Everything happens within the same platform. And the cool thing is that, and I'll speak about pricing later on. The cool thing is System IO really adds a lot of value through its free forever plan. So you can also get a 14-day free trial with System IO in certain geographies. So in terms of the value added, System IO is really easy to use. So they have worked pretty incredibly on the UX. So getting started with System IO is incredibly easy. If this is your first time using the tool, there is a quick guide on how to get started. First, go to the official website and create a new account. You'll be asked to verify your email, after which you will have an opportunity to log in again. And so once you are in, the first page that you will see is the dashboard, and the dashboard is pretty well organized. And so right now the dashboard will be blank because you haven't done anything yet. But once your store is in full swing, you'll be able to see all the important updates here. Or once you're a sales funnel, or once your landing page, whatever you have, you have the capability there. You are able to create a blog within a System IO pretty easily. Again, no need for coding knowledge, no need for some kind of background in IT, whatever. You have a drag and drop builder that can really help you. You can set up products. If you were thinking about e-commerce, you can set up products. You can create a funnel within System IO. This is really important. You can manage emails. And so when we talk about value added, that's really where I want you to focus on the fact that System IO allows you to do a lot of things. I want you now to focus on the pricing. So you can see on the screen here that System IO has different layers of pricing. So you have the free forever plan. So the free forever plan is kind of cool, but you're limited. It really depends on what you are trying to have. Okay. So System IO has a generous free forever plan that's ideal for startups and small businesses. Under this, what happens here is that you can seamlessly integrate with the various payment gateways and add unlimited assistant accounts. So this is really cool. Automation rules, A/B tests, and email campaigns are all restricted to only one, and you don't get any migration support. That said, as long as you sell only a couple of products, this plan, the free forever plans, will suffice. And then you have the webinar. So the webinar plan. Before I speak about the webinar, let's talk about the startup. The startup plan is the best. It's actually the first paid plan you can consider if you want to scale your business. It comes with a few added perks like 3 custom domains, up to 10 A/B tests, and actually custom automation rules. And beyond those, you're also able to create email campaigns, and you have the ability to create 10 funnels and 5 blogs at a time. Then you have the webinar. So the webinar plan is ideal for mid-sized businesses with loyal customers. That's because it lets you manage up to 10,000 email contacts at once. So again, in terms of scalability, System IO is really a cool tool. And other benefits within the webinar plan include the ability to create 100 automation rules and email campaigns and run 50 A/B tests. So this is really, really cool. And the thing is that they are always constantly, they also, under the webinar plan, you can actually create up to 300 sales funnels steps. Okay. And then you have the unlimited plan. So as the name actually suggests, everything is unlimited on this plan. And this is actually priced at 97 bucks per month, and or 828 per year. And so we actually recommend this plan for you if you are an established large scale business and enterprise. And this is the only plan that offers a free migration support and one-time one-on-one coaching for new users as well. If you don't want your online store to experience too much downtime, the period of inactivity during which the transition happens, the unlimited plan is a no-brainer. So this is one of those things where you got to think about the pricing aspect of things. So what is our verdict here? So is System IO legit? Yes, definitely. Yes, System IO is legit. System IO is safe. System IO is has been around for a while now. So and they have great reviews online. So popular sites like Trustpilot and G2 have both given System IO a 4.8 rating based on more than 2,000 reviews. And so on Trustpilot, 92%, 92 to 93% actually of the reviewers have given System IO actually a 5-star rating, and 5% have given it 4 stars. So this is really cool in terms of opportunity. And what we love about System IO is really the only one platform, the only one capability. So so you are able to you are able to get started faster, and no way like you have no time to actually try to learn things on your own, because the UI has been built to make things a lot faster. And so System IO remains the perfect value for money when you think about value for money business tool you've been looking for. It really offers the features like automated email marketing, a sales funnel builder, you have A/B testing, and you have unlimited blog post and file storage. And this is really cool. And this happens on every plan. So if you are, and again, depending on the complexity of your project, you can actually opt for one plan or the other. And one thing I also need to say here is that when you think about System IO, what we love about System IO is that whether you are a solopreneur, you are a one-person business, or you are a team leader, or you are a marketer, a digital marketer, working on behalf of clients, creating landing pages in front of like if you are doing things on behalf of clients, then you will love System IO, especially the unlimited plan, because the unlimited plan has, of course, it costs money, 97 bucks a year, 97 bucks a month, but you have the ability to run a lot of things. You can actually automate a lot of things, and System IO is safe enough, has the IT foundation, the strong IT foundation you need to make sure that your data is safe with the provider. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. In today's conversation, let's do a recap here. So in today's conversation, I spoke to you about System IO. I gave you the presentation, the evaluation, the features, the value added, the pricing, and now the verdict. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.